Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. We know that 8 tenses have passive voice. There are 3 simple tenses, 2 continuous tenses, and remaining 3 are perfect tenses. Now we are going to learn about passive voice of present perfect tense. All rules are same like simple tenses except be form. In this tense, suitable be form been. In this tense, suitable be form been, B-E-E-N, been. Here, this tense means present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, that is active voice. For example, serial number 1, he has drunk milk. Here, he is subject, has is helping verb, drunk is main verb, milk is object. He has drunk milk. It is present perfect tense. Has is singular helping verb. He is singular subject. Drunk is V3, that is past participle. The passive voice, milk has been drunk. In the present perfect tense, main verb is past participle. In the passive voice also, same main verb is used. Already we know that main verb of every passive voice is past participle. So here main verb is not changed. Second sentence, she has sold vegetables. In the passive voice, vegetables have been sold. Here also, she is singular, helping verb is also singular as. Third sentence, we have eaten apples. We is subject, have it, helping verb eaten is main verb, apples is object. Here we subject is plural, so have is also plural verb. The passive voice, apples have been eaten. Here apples also plural, so helping verb is also plural, that is have. In the second sentence, she has sold vegetables. Here she is singular and helping verb as is also singular, but in the passive voice, vegetables have been sold. Here vegetables is plural, so helping verb also plural, that is have. If we want to change negative sentence, we will write not after helping verb in the active voice and passive voice. For example, he had not drank milk. Milk has not been drunk in the passive voice. Second sentence, she has not sold vegetables. In the passive voice, vegetables have not been sold. The third sentence, we have not eaten apples. In the passive voice, apples have not been eaten. If we want to change interactive sentence, we will write helping verb before the subject in the active voice and passive voice and add question mark ending of the sentence. For example, first sentence, has he drank milk and add question mark. In the passive voice, has milk been drunk and add question mark. The second sentence, has she sold vegetables, add question mark. In the passive voice, have vegetables been sold and add question mark. In the third sentence, have we eaten apples, add question mark. Have apples been eaten, add question mark. We must practice with useful remaining main verbs and subjects to get more knowledge about passive voice of present perfect tense. Thank you.